Welcome guys, today I am with the Lenovo headphones and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So first of all, you have to remember to charge them. In the box you can find this charger that you have to pin right here in this place, and after that you have to click and hold this button until this indicator turns on, and you have to wait until it starts blinking like that. You will also hear the voice notification that the Bluetooth mode is enabled. When it's blinking like that, it means that this device is visible to other devices. So we have to put them close to our smartphone, go for the Bluetooth, click on the switcher. As you can see, I was previously connected to this device, so I want to simply disconnect them and unpair. And as you can see, they will pop on the list right here below, so we have to select from the list, accept pair, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.